Hello and welcome back to our channel. Have you ever felt like you're juggling too many things, struggling to keep everything afloat? Well, you're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, effective organization isn't just a skill, it's a superpower. Get ready to unlock the secrets of organization and achieving your goals with precision. So grab your notebook, buckle up, and let's embark on a journey to organizational mastery together. We often think about organizing as a way to make things neat. But true organization is about creating a system that allows things to flow smoothly and naturally. In management, this means creating a structure where tasks are clearly defined, responsibilities are understood, and everyone feels empowered to do their best work. Thus, organizing can be defined as the process that initiates implementation of plan by clarifying the jobs, working relationships, and allocating resources effectively to achieve the desired goals. In this video, we'll explore the 4 fundamental steps to mastering the art of organizing in management. Identify and divide work effectively, group tasks into departments, assign duties thoughtfully, and establish clear lines of reporting. Let's delve with an example. Imagine we are creating an ad campaign for a lipstick company that needs a new to increase its sales by 20% in the next quarter. The first step to organize management is identifying and dividing the work. Begin by listing every single task, big or small, that needs to be accomplished for the new lipstick brand campaign. Don't worry about order or importance just yet. Simply create a comprehensive inventory. This includes budget, personnel, materials, and technology. We'll need funds for advertising slots, a creative team for content creation, photography or video equipment, and more. Once you have your list, it's time to break down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. This process, much like tidying, allows you to see each element clearly. This clarity is essential for assigning responsibilities effectively and ensuring that everyone understands their role in the grand scheme of things. When everyone knows what they are responsible for, it sparks a sense of ownership and purpose. Now that you have a clear picture of the individual tasks, let's move on to arranging them, much like we organize items in a home. Departmentalization is the art of grouping similar jobs together into manageable units. There are various ways to departmentalize, such as by function, by product, by customer, or by geographical location. For our lipstick campaign, it would be marketing, finance, graphic designers, copywriters, photographers, videographers, and social media managers. Each team member will have a specific role and responsibility to ensure the campaign runs smoothly. The key is to choose a structure that aligns with your specific needs and promotes efficiency, just as grouping similar items together in your home makes them easier to find. Departmentalization brings a sense of order and coordination to the workplace. It allows for specialization, fosters teamwork within departments, and simplifies communication channels. With our tasks neatly categorized, it's time to assign them to the right individuals. This step is crucial for ensuring that each task is handled with care and expertise. Consider each team member's strengths, skills, and interests when assigning duties. For the lipstick ad campaign, this could mean assigning a graphic designer to create visuals, a copywriter to craft the message, and a project manager to oversee the entire process. Delegating tasks effectively not only lightens your workload, but also empowers your team members to grow and excel in their areas of expertise. Just as each item in a tidy home has its designated place, each team member should have a clear understanding of their responsibilities. This creates a sense of ownership and accountability, leading to increased productivity and job satisfaction. Finally, we establish reporting relationships. In our lipstick ad campaign, the project manager will report to the marketing director, while the creative team will report to the project manager. This ensures clear communication and accountability. Establishing these reporting relationships ensures that information flows smoothly and efficiently within the organization. Define who reports to whom and outline the communication channels for different types of information. This clarity prevents misunderstandings, reduces delays, and allows for timely decision-making. Clear reporting lines in an organization create a sense of structure and support. It fosters open communication and promotes a collaborative work environment where everyone feels heard and valued. Now, we are ready to execute the lipstick ad campaign. Remember, this was possible only by embracing clarity, structure, and communication. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more management topics. See you in the next video.